These are the materials that are required to make masks accepted by the hospital. We used a brand new cotton cloth, but you may use any cloth that you find at home. These are the steps that you can refer to throughout the video. Step 1. Cut the main fabric, accent fabric, and elastic. Main fabric 9 by 16 inches, 1 piece. Accent fabric 1.75 inches by 6 inches, 2 pieces. Elastic 1/4 or 1/8 inch width, 6.5 inches long, 2 pieces. If you have a thick elastic, you can cut lengthwise for 1/4 or 1/8 inch. If you don't have elastic, you can use flat ribbons or hair wraps. Step 2. Fold the main fabric along 16-inch width with the wrong side facing you. Stitch the open side with the 1/4 inch seam allowance to form a tube. You can leave 4 inches in the middle to create a slot to insert additional filter in the mask. Step 3. Turn the tube inside out so that the correct side faces you, and you have a 9-inch by 8-inch minus seam allowance tube. Step 4. Along the 8-inch side, create 3 pleats with 1/2 inch depth. The first pleat at 1.5 inches from the bottom, the second at 3 inches from the bottom, and the third at 4.5 inches from the bottom. Step 5. Secure the 3 pleats with pins. Step 6. Secure the elastic at 1/4 inch or at 1/2 inch from the top and bottom with open end of elastic facing the open end of the tube. Step 7. Sew with 1/4 inch seam allowance on either side to secure the pleats and elastic with a double stitch. Then stitch the other side. Step 8. Fold the accent piece in half along the 6-inch side with right side facing you. Step 9. Place accent fabric with open end facing edge and folded end facing center of the main fabric. Step 10. Fold the extra fabric on the 4 edges to go around on the other side. Secure all layers with pins. Step 11. Stitch the secured accent fabric onto the main fabric with 1/4 inch seam allowance. The stitch is on the open end. Step 12. Open the accent fabric strip seam by flipping it outward from the main pleated piece, then press. Step 13. Fold the entire accent piece down towards the main pleated piece, encasing the raw seam. After this step, accent piece is on one side and not at all on the flip side. Press and pin the edge down. Stitch the accent strip down to the main body of the mask, sewing along the edge, making sure to back stitch at the beginning and end. Step 14. Add 1 additional stitch on all sides for stability. This is what the completed mask should look like. Here are some examples of different masks and different fabrics that we used. Here is an example of a mask where we left a 4-inch slot to insert additional filter.